With these basic knowledge of Wegic, you can make changes to your website with just one click, view the results in real time. What's best? It doesn't consume any credits? Part 1, How to modify page names and order. Click here to expand the page menu. A single click lets you switch between pages, and a double click allows you to rename a page. Once the page name is changed, the corresponding position in the navigation bar will update automatically. You can hold and drag the page up or down on the left side to change the page order. Click on the right to expand more options. You can enter settings to customize the page URL, set the current page as home, or delete this page. Click the top right corner, Add Page, to create a new page to display more content on your website. Part 2, How to change theme color and font. Select your favorite color in the palette and watch the real-time effects in the website display area on the left. You can also enter a HEX color code at the bottom to choose a specific shade. When you change the theme color, all buttons and background colors will adjust accordingly to ensure the site's consistency. Fonts convey your website style and brand image. So, let's choose a suitable font for your site's header and body text to better match the overall style.